People who don't understand your vision, people who don't understand it or won't embrace it will only see the mess. If you are currently in a situation where things look a mess because you are remodeling, you are reassembling, you are realigning, I want you to keep your eye focused on the masterpiece.
Welcome to Talks on Demand, hosted by Dr. Nicole McIlwain.
Hey guys, Dr. Nicole here, and today I want to talk about why mess comes before every masterpiece. I want to talk about it because being an entrepreneur, being a small business owner, whether you are a small business supplier or you're just a small business that's happy being a small business and you're selling B2C, right? Direct to consumer, business to consumer. We still need encouragement and we still need to hear messages that I think are empowering. And I want to talk to those entrepreneurs today who feel like they are in the midst of a mess and you feel like you're not seeing results, you're not seeing traction, you're doing everything right. I want to remind you today that mess comes before masterpiece. And what I mean by that is think of every great remodel. Think of home remodels, right? Sometimes there's a demolition, there's a huge mess as the team is going in, shifting, pivoting, reassembling. Reassembly requires demolishing some things. It requires getting rid of some things. It requires busting things up, pulling things out, right? Think about a house remodel, a home remodel. When you see that, you walk in and sometimes electrical sockets are hanging out, the sink is turned upside down, there's a power drill over there, and things look chaotic. So much that sometimes you can walk in and not even want to be there. You'll walk in, peek your head in and say, okay, clearly you guys are in the middle of this project. I will see you when it's done. I'm going to talk about that because people who don't understand your vision, people who don't understand it or won't embrace it will only see the mess. They'll see the mess and they'll tend to think this is where we are staying instead of this is where we are starting. But I want to remind you today that mess comes before masterpiece. And as long as you're in a mess situation because you are remodeling, you are going somewhere, you are shifting, it's not pretty. Change is not always pretty. Think about the last time you had to clean out your closet, right? Because you had a better system. And I do mean literal closet, right? I'm not being facetious or symbolic here. The last time you had to clean out your closet, chances are you had to pull everything out and sort it and color code it if that's your thing, or put linens, right? Certain fabrics with fabrics, whatever your system is, it probably looked like a mess for a day or a half a day, right? Because you pulled everything out, you put it on the bed or you put it on some sort of dresser or wherever you put it, but you had a plan. And that's the difference, is that if you are currently in a situation where things look a mess because you are remodeling, you are reassembling, you are realigning, I want you to keep your eye focused on the masterpiece and don't worry about the people who can't see the masterpiece. They can't see the final vision. You can't make people believe. You can give them everything that it takes to make it possible, but they have to make it happen. Hey, Dr. Nicole here, quickly interrupting your video to let you know if you are a small business and you're interested in getting connected to corporate contracts all year long and getting developed, the strategies, the techniques, the tips, along with hundreds of other small businesses across the US, then ProcuraFind is your online community. Go to www.procurafind.com so that you can join our fast-growing vendor network today. See you there. Dr. Nicole signing off. Now back to your video. So I just want to remind you, because mess before masterpiece is a very normal thing. And I want us to talk about it more because some people will only see the mess and they'll think that you're going down or that you're confused or that the bow is about to break. And they don't recognize that you're in the midst of making your masterpiece. This is a masterpiece in the making, right? Even highway construction busts up the roads and changes the direction temporarily, and there's cones everywhere, and it's just not attractive. But if you see it, sometimes 2 months later or 3 months later, it's amazing. It's an amazing piece of work, right? It looks good aesthetically. It works effectively. Things are progressing. And so I just want to remind you sometimes that don't get caught up in the mess. Keep your eye on the masterpiece and tell yourself this is a masterpiece in the making. And sometimes it looks like a mess while we're building. All right. I hope that this message reaches someone. I hope it's encouraging because as a community of entrepreneurs, we need each other. other. We need reminding. And as long as you have a plan for that mess, you're on your way to a masterpiece. All right, Dr. Dawn Nicole signing off.
ProcuraFind is your online community for small business growth, connecting you to contracts, partners, and resources. Join today at ProcuraFind.com. Thanks for watching.